Online gambling is often seen as a way to potentially make money without leaving the comfort of your home. While it's true that some individuals have had successful runs in games like poker or sports betting, it's crucial to remember that gambling primarily relies on luck, and the odds are usually against the player. Therefore, it's not a reliable method for making a consistent income, and in many cases, people end up losing more than they win. It's important to approach online gambling with the mindset of having fun and entertainment rather than relying on it as a means of making money, as the risks of financial loss and addiction are very real. Always gamble responsibly and within your means. A YouTube channel can be a fantastic source of income that keeps generating money while you sleep. Once you've created and uploaded your videos, they can continue to earn ad revenue, attract affiliate income, and engage viewers from around the world, even in different time zones. The evergreen nature of certain content types ensures that your videos stay relevant and profitable over an extended period. Diversifying income streams, such as through brand partnerships, merchandise sales, or sponsored content, can further boost your earnings. This scalability and flexibility give you the freedom to shape your content creation schedule according to your preferences while enjoying the benefits of a potentially lucrative online platform that works around the clock. Publishing an ebook provides a passive income stream that operates around the clock. Your ebook, available globally, can be purchased and downloaded by readers at any hour. This passive nature means your creation continues to generate income without your constant attention, and with minimal upfront costs and no inventory concerns, it's an efficient way to monetize your writing. Additionally, as an ebook author, you have control over pricing and can experiment to find the optimal price point for your target audience. With competitive royalties offered by ebook platforms and the ability to publish on multiple channels, you can expand your reach and potentially earn significant income from your digital publications while enjoying the freedom to pursue other interests. One of the significant advantages of automated investment platforms is their ability to provide professional investment management without the need for you to be an expert in finance. These platforms leverage advanced algorithms and data analysis to create a diversified portfolio that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. This diversification helps spread risk, which can be especially beneficial when you're earning money passively. Furthermore, automated investment platforms offer automatic rebalancing, ensuring your portfolio remains aligned with your desired asset allocation. As market conditions change, the algorithms will adjust your investments to maintain the appropriate mix of assets, allowing you to continue earning money without the hassle of manual management. Passive income generation is another notable advantage. Robo-advisors can be configured to prioritize income by investing in dividend-paying stocks, bonds, or income-focused exchange-traded funds, ETFs. This means that you can receive regular dividends or interest payments without actively managing your investments. Additionally, automated investment platforms offer accessibility and transparency. You can easily monitor your portfolio's performance and holdings through user-friendly interfaces and reports provided by the robo-advisor. This transparency ensures you have full visibility into how your money is working for you while you sleep. In summary, automated investment platforms provide a smart and hassle-free way to earn money while you're not actively involved in managing your investments. They offer professional management, automatic rebalancing, passive income generation, and accessibility, making them a valuable tool for building wealth over time with minimal effort on your part.
A pyramid scheme is an illegal and deceptive business model that promises participants significant financial gains based on their recruitment of others into the scheme. Rather than the sale of legitimate products or services, it typically starts with a single person or a small group at the top, encouraging individuals to invest money or join in exchange for the promise of high returns. These recruits are then encouraged to recruit others, creating multiple levels or tiers beneath them. As new participants enter the scheme, the money they contribute flows up the pyramid to those.
As a virtual assistant, you can provide administrative and technical support to businesses and entrepreneurs from the comfort of your home. Whether you are a seasoned freelancer or just starting out, these 11 tips will help you become a successful virtual assistant on Fiverr, one of the largest freelance platforms in the world. With updated and practical advice, you will learn how to stand out, increase your earnings, and build a loyal client base. How to stand out as a Fiverr virtual assistant. Here are some tips to help you make a name for yourself and become a sought-after virtual assistant. Develop a specialty. Consider what services you can offer that are unique and in demand. This could be anything from social media management to web design. Create a professional profile. Make sure your profile is up to date and includes all the necessary information about your services. Include a professional headshot and a detailed description of your skills and experience. Offer quality services. Quality is key when it comes to virtual assistant services. Make sure you are providing the best possible service to your clients. This includes responding to inquiries quickly, delivering work on time, and being available for any questions or concerns. Build a positive reputation. Ask your clients for reviews and testimonials. This will help you build a positive reputation and attract more clients.
E-commerce or electronic commerce is the practice of buying and selling products and services over the internet. Its benefits are substantial. First and foremost, it provides businesses with a global reach, allowing them to connect with customers worldwide, transcending geographical boundaries, promote products or services through affiliate programs, and earn commissions on sales generated through your referral links.